Welcome guys, a new tutorial. Today I want to show you some pretty nice psychedelic hi-hats, psychedelic effects which you can do with your drums, with your percussion, and actually with vocals, pretty much with other percussion samples. So I made some bass for the track, and then I want to make something kind of psychedelic, kind of old school. Oh, let's see what I've done. I just made the bass. And now I put here just some hi-hats. Yeah, it's nothing special. And now what we have to do to make it more psychedelic. Here in Ableton, it's pretty easy. What you have to do, you need to go to controls. Of course, you need to first have it as a MIDI. Then you need to use instrument, sampler or simpler. In this example, I use simpler. And now here you have transpose. So maybe I will do it from 0. So you will see it. So I have simpler. Then I will take some hat. So I will take hi-hat, samples, and okay, let's see with this one. This one is pretty long, and that what we actually want. We want a little bit longer than the just short hi-hat. And now what we have to do. First of all, we need to click here on the top, and now we need to click group. So now we have this window where we can make our macros. Here, you need to click this. And now, here, let's right click and map the macro one. And what I want to do, I want to put sustain down, and I want to also map this as a macro here. And what we're gonna do now. So look, I have it here on my keyboard. Now I will connect this knob to my controller, and here my control. So now we have connected transpose and decay. So check this out, what I'm playing on my MIDI controller, what do we have? And now you can also see, I will maybe play it just alone without any other effects. How I combine these two knobs, and I'm gonna tweak them. So look at this. All right. And now if we want to make it more psychedelic, let's add delay, Ableton. I will add this one, maybe after. So I have a delay. So now we have to keep on repitch, and I will go into ping pong. All right. So now it's not gonna be that psychedelic as I want. So what I have to do, I need to click here to change sync into time. And even now, it's not gonna be that psychedelic as I want. So we have to deactivate this knob. So now they are like separated. And you have to click and again the sync. So now we can move those knobs separately. And what I want this one very short and this one a little bit longer. I mean, little bit, it's actually a lot, because here is 5 and here is about 134. Of course, you need to combine it for your taste, because as you're gonna move it more or less, it will have quite big impact on the sound. All right, and I want to also add a little bit more dry wet and feedback also about 60, and I will go with filter in this kind of settings, something like this. So check this out now, and I'm gonna move the knobs. It's a pretty psychedelic and pretty old school Goa sound. Of course, you need to, I think I will need to put a little bit more volume. And we can try to take a little bit less dry wet, maybe more dry wet, but less feedback. Okay, and check this out now. And now look, if I'm gonna change that into something like this, we're gonna get immediately totally different effect. Look at this. All right, so if you have something like that, you can add, for example, echo after that. If we have this, we can add echo like this. And I'm moving the transpose. And of course, you can try different settings, for example, different patterns, for example, like this. And the same thing you can do, for example, with vocals. I have some vocals here. Here I just add the transpose in the group, and I'm connected to my knob. is something pretty creative, I think. So if you want to make it a little bit more psychedelic your track, you can try with transpose, and remember that different samples gonna make the effect different. So you have to be just creative and try different settings. Really easy thing. Just connect, transpose, and decay, and try to change them in different time, and voila. By the way, I used in the kick, I used kick from my preset pack for kick 2 Astralis. There are also samples, kick samples. Here the bass, it's bass Proya from my Orbitalis preset pack. Is also on my Gumroad or my website. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and see you in next videos.